Good morning, my lovely ones. How are you, loves? I hope everybody's well. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Daily message in here, loves, for Monday, October 18th. Just 2 days till the full moon in Aries, and many of you might feel the energies already. For others of you, you will feel it. Let's see, loves, how we start the week, how the things goes forward, and what else we need to see for the day, and as well proceeding forward to the week. Know always that the dailies are not affiliating with any zodiac signs. They are messages which are coming in right now in this moment, and it's very, very strong for delivering you a message which you are very much eager to hear. As well, you know, loves, on the 17th, which was yesterday, Mercury gone direct. So for the most affected here, Geminis and Virgos, now you might start feeling like yourself. And for others of you, especially for those of you who do have Mercury as Gemini and Virgo in your chart, now feel like there is some sort of relief. And in general, if you've been experiencing certain things over this time, over this 3 weeks, I believe was Mercury retrograde, now you feel quite a little difference. Let's see, loves. Today I have the Lenormand deck for messages and the archangels for messages after the reading. Before the reading, we'll use the Lenormand. After the reading, we'll use the archangel messages for guidance. Let's see, loves, what do we have here for you and where are we going? All right. Underneath, we have the labyrinth. For some of you, you are still in searching of something. The news are coming, loves. But I feel here also, for some of you, is not an easy way to do something at this time. There's something here you need to cut off from your life or leave behind. And only you can do that. Only you can do that. You hold the key to your success. For some of you, yes, you might leave something back. For some of you, you need to leave behind certain people because they may not be very, useful to you. Instead, they can cause you quite a lot of problems. And this is the search of the direction, very much, as you see here, north, south, west, and east. It's kind of like setting up your destination. Whatever you've been searching, now is the opening for the new things. Whatever those are and whatever you've been searching of. For others of you, is a good time to emerge forward, because I'm feeling here, since we have this big mountain behind you, it's like you leave quite a burden behind, or you leave certain things which felt very heavy on you. For others of you, somebody is speaking to you at this time that unless you're not doing that, you will not find the direction in life or in your endeavors forward. Let's see, loves, what that's speaking of and how the energies are. All right, let's see what we have here for you at this time, in this moment, for this day. And overarching energy. We have a celebratory energy around you. Four of Wands. Four of Wands is very, very positive energy, like a good omen. And for some of you, this is your peace inside yourself or inside your home. That very, very much matters. It's like nothing is more important than your own peace. And it's something here you could work for a while. Whatever is here, an achievement or even just a small thing around you, you are about to get it, loves. Your hard work seems to me that will be paid off. Let's see, Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, World, Knight of Swords, Fool, Six of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, and Eight of Cups. The thing is, as you see here, we have as major arcanas here, we have World and Fool. World is the last card, the major arcanas. Fool is the 0 card, which is the first card in the tarot deck. So indeed here, for some of you, you're leaving something behind which needed for a long time to be done with, and take a leap of faith in something new, and as well to take it easy. That's a very beautiful energy, and that's what we see here in this mountain. You leave quite a burden behind, and I feel here you could wait for something to pick up in your life or to go forward, and feels like you wait in vain or you wait for nothing. There's something here that it's kind of like, make your mind, ended it, don't be upset of it, feel that actually you win the battle. Six of Wands, this is a winning energy here, because sometimes we gotta be thankful for the things didn't happen to us or were not given to us by the universe, because was very much protection. Keep in mind that sometimes rejection is protection, and none of it less. If something here didn't go, I feel here there's something else. Yes, for some of you, you still feel like, I gotta put still effort and certain things, but it's just a page and a knight, nothing else. Don't resist it. As soon as you do this move, you will feel a very good release. Could be a job, could be a person. I have the zodiac signs here, Piscean, or a water sign, and air sign. With the Fool, Fool is elemental air, and the first elemental air we have Gemini. Some readers will tell you that is an Aries, because it's the first zodiac sign from the deck. And also we have a Leo and a Virgo. But I feel here there is something here that it's time. And again and again, it's time. Don't wait it. Don't resist it. Number 7 here. 7th are very spiritual messages, very spiritual numbers. And if you work here for a raise, if you waited for a raise, or for something here to grow in a job because you work hard, don't resist to get what you want or you feel that is it. Because walking away, you're getting something better. Let's see. Seven of Pentacles, Page of Swords. It's kind of like you're looking when this is happening. How long I should wait? Seven of Wands, Two of Swords. Indeed, here there is something here like you don't accept, or feels like I don't want to do it. Eight of Cups, Three of Wands. Looking for something better. If my manifestation doesn't get here, we'll get there anyway. Knight of Swords, Ten of Cups, Page of Cups, Death. So here is loves. For some of you, indeed here, you really want to work certain things. But now is a change. This is the third major arcana. Death, Scorpio energy. And it's kind of like, don't wait for what is gone long ago. For some of you, that could be feeling that you've been waiting here for your twin. Or you've been waiting here for an apology from somebody or for something, because I feel here you've been waiting, you've been looking when it's coming, how it's coming, but that was done. Now is the time for you to move on. And don't resist it. One more card here for the Seven of Wands and Two of Swords. Sun. You see? You're blocking something marvelous and beautiful. For some of you, you gotta work a little bit around your heart chakra. And I'm hearing here's like, well, I'm open up. Be 100% open up, and even more. Because the sun, since you're blind here in this Two of Swords, you might not seeing it. So open up, loves. Because that's how happens many times when we are stick for certain things way too long than we're supposed to. And we refuse to see other ways. But sometimes, as I've been said in the beginning, you hold the key. We are the one who are opening doors, who are close the doors. It's a free will, many times. So there's something here you gotta cut off or even pull from the roots. This is a cutting off situation. Could be cut off an energy from your life. Could be cutting off a person or a situation from your life. Whatever it is, cut it off. So you will find your direction in life. Because this is very much for finding a direction. You've been searching for quite a long time. You know, it's like you are in a labyrinth and you cannot find where to go, how to go. Don't lie to yourself. The fox is a liar. Don't lie to yourself that I can't find my way out. Because sometimes we are telling ourselves just to soothe us in a way or another. And what I'm hearing here, for some of you, you had way too big expectations from something or someone which they have not even an idea that you had those expectations. And that's the thing here, why I always say what you need to say from the beginning. Let's see here what this Fool speaks to you. What's the leap of faith in here? Spirit, speak us through here. Thank you. Empress. Judgment. Wow. And Ace of Cups. So that's the situation, loves. This is speaking about major changes. Judgment, this is learning a lesson, and as well is an awakening moment that I don't really need to stay where I am. There's nothing left. And unfortunately, probably somebody didn't see your true value or a true worth. So show yourself that you are worthy, because you are. You are the Empress, goodness. And the Ace of Cups, just taking this leap of faith, you will see here how quick. This we have the Empress, Libra, which Empress is Venus, Libra, Taurus, and Ace of Cups within 1 month. Could be even sooner. Fool speaks about right now. Sun speaks about a day. Death speaks something here, it's ending and it's moving forward right now. So could be by the full moon in Taurus, which is next month. Scorpio season, by the end of the Scorpio season, this is coming. And for some of you, you have that big realization, that aha moment that, you know, I don't need to wait for something which probably will come, probably will not. I just need to see myself happy, because happiness is a state of yours, is a state of mind, not a person, not a thing, not an object. Nobody will make you happy if you are not happy within yourself. As nobody will motivate you unless you are the one who motivates you. Look at you. Take a leap of faith and see the abundance. See the new things which are coming to you. And see how the things come. But just walking away here, your manifestation starts showing up one by one. All right, loves. For some of you, if you've been waiting for a person and been holding on that, not moving on, just walking away, that person might come back. One more card here for you, this 8 of Cups and 3 of Wands. Knight of Wands. They will come around, loves. But you gotta be firm. So whoever gone away, just you walking away, they will come around. But Knight of Wands, all respect again for the Sages. I am one of the Sages. This person might be the same as they left, in and out. You're the one who choose to keep them or leave them. Hangman. So if you really wanted them back, they might come back once you leave. But the situation will still the same. Speaking of. So again, be aware what you wish for, loves. And what you decide to do. Because you can have something beautiful. Forward movement. One advice, one message here from the universe. What I'm hearing is whatever chapter you had, close it for good if you want to move forward with your life and be happy. Because reopening a door and leave it cracked might not help you too much. Just saying. And honestly, loves, you know that I always will not sugarcoat readings. That's how we are ruling. The advice, 3 of Cups, 10 of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, and Knight of Cups. And again, we have the Judgment. The advice is that no matter what, whoever comes around to you, you know, somebody who said this said it right. A snake first will bite. The next time they will grab you and eat you. And as well, first time, shame on them. Next time, shame on you. That's the thing. Because, my loves, you do have a very lovely offer coming in. Might not come as faster as you would like to, or as faster as you want to move towards that. But patience is a golden quality. And believe it or not, not too many has it. There is move, loves. There's messages here coming in as we have 3 knights. Knight of Pentacles is missing, which is the slowest knight. That very much speaks that be easy on you, take it slow, and do you. One step at a time. Because that is the way to put you on the right track. Let's see here. As you know me, sometimes I will look, which is not always, but most of the time I will look where is the 4th card which we're looking at, and this time is the Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles, where you at? Here it is. All right, that's what I'm speaking of, loves. Look at here. Knight of Pentacles is right here and is in between Temperance and is in between the Moon. So you either do the right thing by being patient, or you do the other things by being afraid. What is most strong inside you? That's what you're doing. As well, for some of you, patiently walk through your fears, overcome those fears, so you could be not afraid of anything. Because believe it or not, loves, so many of us lost, or let's say lost, but I don't feel it's like missed a lot of great opportunities just being afraid to go towards them, or to take that leap of faith that they need to. Don't be hesitating. It's not a good time, since we are in this full moon. Goodness, I will say to all of you, and you know me, I always keep a white candle into my home. It's non-stop. When it's about to end, another one is burning again. And that is for purifying energy. That is for bringing good energy and much more blessings. And that's why I will suggest each and every one, if you feel like it doesn't cost you too much. My candles are not from special, stores or something like that. And blessing a candle, you don't need to do much more than I bless this candle to bring me the light, to bring me those blessings and that beauty, what I need at this time. Positive around, abundance around, and good energy around me. That's it. You don't need too much to do. And just let it burn. Very good time to do so, loves, since we have this full moon. And as I've been saying here, let's do a card from the Archangels. What protection you have at this time, and what is the message behind it. Here is victory. Archangel Sandalphon, your prayers have been heard and answered. Have faith. So here is loves. And underneath, as you know, the underneath energy is the energy you don't see yet. This is coming for sure. Compassion. Archangel Zodiac, soften your heart with respect to this situation and all the people involved, including yourself. Whatever you've gone through, be compassionate. Give yourself a hug if you need to. And feel the new energy coming in. All right, loves. That's what I have for you. And I hope everyone had a beautiful day ahead. Many blessings, much abundance, a lot, and grandiose hugs for all of you. And we'll see you tomorrow. Namaste.